Coming up, we've got an expensive device with a broken screen that won't boot. The horror. Can we fix it? Hello and welcome to Fix Tech Stuff. Before we get started, I'll say a quick word about my previous video. You may not have air conditioning, but you do indeed have appliances that can suffer from that fault. But YouTube didn't think you needed to see it. You name it, anything with a large electric motor or pump, microwave ovens too. Knowing how to repair things can save you a lot of money. Now onto the video. I bought this 2020 MacBook Air base model from eBay. It has a broken screen and was not booting to the OS. I ordered a replacement screen but was unfortunately sent a MacBook Pro screen, which is not the same. While I was waiting, and with some difficulty, I took care of the not booting part. It was stuck at the boot screen menu and failed to download the install media. So I created a bootable USB. There are several ways to do this. I went with OpenCore Legacy Patcher, which enables you to download install media and then create a patched, or in this case, unpatched installer. Installation was not easy with the broken screen, but with a bit of effort and an external display, I got it to install. That's one problem solved. Well, the replacement screen arrived as part of an iCloud locked MacBook Air, which are a good source of replacement parts. It cost the same as a new replacement screen on its own. I've gone ahead and removed it already off camera. You might have noticed the stickers on the LCD flex cable. That means it's previously been replaced. The quality to me looks identical to the OEM one. You shouldn't be afraid of iCloud locked devices. Yes, the logic board is worthless, but they are as legitimate as, or on par with, any other used device. Obviously that doesn't include lost mode. Yeah, for sure, avoid those at all cost. Okay, let's get started. I just now realised the colours aren't the same. Under certain light and of course the eBay photos, the silver and space grey are almost indistinguishable. But we're not going to let aesthetics get in the way of a good repair. I could have switched logic boards instead, that's an option. Then I thought about the Touch ID on the keyboard, which is doable, but as this is for personal use, I'm not going to bother with that. These screws are P5. Keep in mind they're different lengths. I'm laying these out in a specific order so I don't mix them up with reassembly. Now we just lift and it comes off. Notice the clips that hold it down. Next step, the battery connector comes off. Now T3 torques to remove the antenna cable cover and then the LCD connector cover. Next we need a T5 torques to remove the antenna assembly. It's an irritating array of different size screws. There was a bit of mucking about. I missed the two black screws. Now we switch over to a T8 Torx bit to remove the screen brackets. I like being safe, so I've left one screw in each side until I fully open the hinge. Now off it comes. This screen was an original. Now for reassembly. Whoops. Nearly forgot the flex cables. Don't you just hate bits that aren't magnetized? I won't bore you with the entire reassembly, we'll skip forward a bit. Here I'm struggling to clip on the antenna cables. Get a load of the obnoxious colour difference. At least it wasn't space grey and gold. Also the two lousy USB-C ports, one of which is for charging. Poor show, Apple. The final step is the battery connector. Checking that everything's plugged in. Then the lid goes back on. Well, there we have it, a working 2020 MacBook Air. Total cost was around $850, but I've got a parts logic board, spare case, keyboard, trackpad and battery which I could either keep or sell separately. If you like fixing broken stuff, make sure to click on the things so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.